Hello everyone, we'll continue with some BMX videos. Today I'm going to show you my bike check. You can use this as a reference for buying your parts. I have good parts and let's start. The stem is a King brand, 50 millimeters. This comes with a gap complete bike. Its weight it's about 11 ounces. It's about $26. It's a good stem. The fork is a Fit Blade B3, one piece, with a traditional 33 millimeters offset. Its weight is about 2.25 pounds. It's about $120. The frame is a King Williams. This has a 20.75 top tube length and 12.75 inch change state length. This makes the frame nimble without compromising the tire clearance. Its weight it's about 4 pounds 14.4 ounces. It's about $329. The handlebar is a Federal Assault. Its weight it's about 1.89 pounds. It's about $68. The front hook it's an Animal female bolts, very straight. The front tire it's a King Sever. It's a regular tire. The rear tire it's an Odyssey Pad Pro 2.40, very width and very light. The seat it's a King. This also comes with the gap complete bike. It's a regular seat. The sprocket it's a Colony Maintenance 28 teeth, very light. It's only 4.4 ounces. It's about $80. The pedals are a Plastic King. They are regular pedals. The chain it's a half length Mary brand, very light. It's about $28. The crank is a King Reach 170 millimeters, 3 pieces. This also comes with a cap complete bike. The rear hoop it's an Odyssey Primo Balance free coaster. It's about $200. The rims are Odyssey Quadrant double wall. I really recommend this rim because they are very light. Each one it's only 16 ounces. It's about $45. The pegs are Finn brand, very straight. Well riders, for your reference, this bike it's about 25 pounds. As you can see, I have good parts. I hope this video helps you to select your parts. That's it for today. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you soon.